Negative numbers, extra practice 1, question 17. So a sequence of numbers starts at 250 and 80 is subtracted each time. You have to write the first three numbers in the sequence which are less than 0. So look what happens very carefully. So I've got to take off 80 each time. What's 170 take away 80? So my first answer is going to be 90. But I don't put that in my box down here. Why is that? I have to take off a further 80. 90 take away 80 is 10. But remember what the question is asking you. Write the first three numbers which are less than 0. So our positive number there is 10. Now we've got to take away 80. So what's 10 minus 80? So 10 minus 80, well 10 minus 10 is 0. We've got to take away a further 70. So our first answer is minus 70. Now we've got minus 70, we've got to take away a further 80. Now because we've got two negative numbers, we've got minus 70, we're going to take off another 80. We can add them together, so we're on minus 150. Then we've got minus 150, we're going to take off a further 80. So I'm going to take off 50, which takes me up to 200, and then a further 30, because 50 and 30 is 80. So what's 150? We're in the negative range. We're going to subtract a further 80. That is minus 230. So be very careful with this question, because the answer when you take away 80 is not 90 or 10, because they are still in the positive range and you are being asked for the first three numbers which are less than 0. So your first one is minus 70, minus 150, and then minus 230. So here they are. Minus 70, minus 150, minus 230. And that's how you do this question.